Hi guys, in today's video we'll be looking at how to fix the uploaded file exceeds error. Now you can see the error here. Now this occurred when I was trying to upload a particular plugin to my WordPress website. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So let's get started. The very first step is to log into my cPanel, which you can do from your hosting account. So for my cPanel, I'll scroll up to look for a setting called PHP versions. So you can see the select PHP versions. So I'll click on select PHP versions. And in case you're using a different web hosting service and it's still the same process, just look for PHP versions. From the PHP selector, I'll click on options and I'll scroll up and I'll see the option called upload max file size. Now by default it's set to 2M, which signifies 2 mega. So I'll click on it. Then I'll select the 128 megabytes. Now you can select any option here, but I'm just going to use 128 megabytes. So I'll click on it. Then my settings has been saved successfully here. Now you can see the notification here. My option MacVice has been saved successfully. So I'll go back to my WordPress admin dashboard and try to upload a plugin. So for my WordPress admin dashboard, I'll click on plugin. I'll go to add new. Then I'll click on upload plugins. I'll click on choose file. So I'll install the plugins. So you can see my plugin has been activated successfully. Then I'll click on activate plugin. So with this guys, we successfully fixed the upload file exceed error. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope today's video has helped you out on your WordPress career journey. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you guys.